The Delhi Metrolite has been cancelled in favor of the Metro Neo. The Delhi tram was about to revive until the plan was replaced with an electric bus. Delhi has a population of 30 million or 3 crores. Why would we be in favor of buses in a city with a massive population? This will lead to overcrowding. The Metrolite and tram are both environmentally friendly modes of transport, with Metrolite having two advantages: carries more than trams and can go faster. Trams are environmentally friendly and can carry more than buses. The trams may be slow, but not as slow as before. Both projects are expensive, but wise decisions are better than cheap decisions. If there were to be a Metrolite system, it would be owned and operated by DMRC. If there were to be Metro Neos, electric buses, or tram system, then the systems would be owned and operated by DTC. DMRC would be renamed DRT for Daily Rapid Transit, as DMRC owns MetroRails. In order to merge all forms of metros, DRT makes more sense.